Hi, I'm Gaynor and today I'm going to show you a very short tutorial how to crochet a poppy. So I've got a few of them there for you to look at. I've done some purple ones and I've done some red ones, some with posh buttons, some with simple buttons and some with leaves. I also make them for poppies for pets to go on the back of bridles for horses and dogs' collars, and they'll just have a simple loop on the back. So you can have fun with your poppies and change them around, do whatever you fancy. So just weave the ends in under. You don't need to go to the front so much, just keep them on the back. That one's done, I'll cut that off in a minute, and then the last green one. So you can see what I was saying at the beginning about trying to save time, saving your ends in. This can just take that bit extra long, so it's a good idea to sew as many in as you can while you go along and save yourself the job at the end. They're both done, get all that out of the way. And there's your finished poppy, 11 o'clock, and there's your lovely poppy.